Hello children, welcome back. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ O words നോക്കാൻ പോവാണ്. We have already seen A words, E words, E words, and now we are going to look at the short vowel sound of O. What is the short vowel sound of O? Oscar, orange sound, and the sound is O. 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 What is the short sound of O? O. 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 Your mouth, your lip should go round like an O. എങ്ങനെയാ പറയുന്നേ? O. O. The long sound is O and the short sound is O. 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 So here we go. Take your book, pencil, rubber, sit down and get ready, steady and go. Let's start work. What do you see there? What is the picture? എന്താണ്? ഒരു കപ്പിനകത്ത് എന്തോ ഒരു സാധനം, എന്നിട്ട് അതിന്റെ മണ്ടയ്ക്കൂടെ എന്താ പോകുന്നത്? ആവി പറക്കുന്നു. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് hot. Hot. ചൂടാണ്. Something that is very, very hot. അപ്പോൾ what is the first sound that you hear? Ha, 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 ha. Hot, hot. So now we know how to write the word hot. Now the next one. What is that on the board? What is that? That is a cot. Cot. കട്ടില്. മെത്തയില്ലാതെ, മാട്രസ് ഇല്ലാതെ ഒരു കട്ടില്. അതിനെ എന്താ വിളിക്കുന്നേ? cot. Ka, ka, a, a, a. Cot. T, t. So that is how you write the word cot. Cot. Now the next one. Look at the board. What is that? We know that that is a pot. Pot. ഒരു പാത്രം. ഒരു ചരുവം. Pot. 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 So, what have you written on the board? Pot. Pot. Pot means charuvam. Pot. Now, the next one. Look at the board. What is that? We all know that that is a dog. Dog. D, 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 d. Dog. Dog. G, g, g. See how easy it is to write words, how easy it is to read words. Just say the word slowly. Look out for the different sounds in the word and build the word. See? So easy. Dog. D, d, d. Dog. Dog. Okay, now the next one. What is that? അതെന്താണ്? ഒരു മരം വെട്ടിയതിന്റെ ഒരു തടിയിലെ പീസ്. A piece of wood. ഒരു തടി കഷ്ണം. അതിനെന്താ നമ്മൾ വിളിക്കുക? Log. log, log, log. So shall we write? Log, log, g. So what have you written here now? Log, log. So what is a log? Log is a piece of wood. Maram vettiyadinte oru kashnam. Log. Okay? So now children, what is the short sound of O? O. 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 Everybody try and say the sound with me. O. O. O alla. Adu long sound aanu. Short sound endana? O. 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 And these are the words that we saw with the short sound of O. What are the words? Which are the words? Caught. Pinne. Where is the നമ്മൾ കണ്ടത് dog, log, caught kandu, pinne heart kandu, then which one? Caught, heart and not under, lot under, pot under. These are all words that you can try and write. Okay, pot, lot, caught, not. This is not my chalk. Endadalla, not. I have lots of toys. Lots, lot, toy, toy. How do you write the word toy? Toy, toy. See? How will you write the word not? This is not mine. It ended the not. 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 Now, how will you write the word lot? Lot. Or lot. Lot. See? So, these are all simple, easy words that you can try and write. So, children, take your book, take your pencil and write down the first 5 words that we saw, because tomorrow you will be writing them with your teacher in your class. Enjoy your learning, keep smiling, stay happy and God bless you. Bye-bye.